Hey everyone, Albert Pavon here with the Pavon team. Thank you for coming back to watch us. I want to do this video for buyers. I understand that I've been doing this for 17 years and I've seen so many things happen with the different markets, but the last 12 to 24 months has been really tough if you were a buyer in this market. But I want to bring good news to you. In the last 12 to 14 months, or I should say 12 to 24 months, it was very tough. I mean, I'm seeing 38 offers on our listings and people paying $50,000, $100,000 over asking price or over the appraisal. They don't care what it would appraise at. And I understand that a buyer trying to buy their primary home for themselves and for their family, it's very tough. Here you have a market that's on steroids, that's pricing you out, and now all of a sudden feds keep raising the interest rates. I just want to let you know that having interest rates at 2%, 3%, that's just not a realistic market or an interest rate for any consumer. When you start to see 4 and 5%, that is more normal than what we were seeing in 2018, 2019. I mean, back in 2012, 2013, I was seeing my clients getting 6.5 to 7.5%. Right now, with the increase of inventory, it has slowed down. So if you're a buyer who's on the fence and you're saying, well, the news keeps telling me that there's going to be this collapse and the prices are going to drop. The price reductions that you're seeing right now, those aren't price reductions because everything's going to come to a crash. Those price reductions are because sellers were trying to price ahead of where the market was going. So if I go back and look at April, March, April, even a little bit of May, we were kind of trying to price where the market was headed, and then the market made a correction. But that dip that you're seeing right now, that dip's only going to last for a very short period of time, in my opinion. I think you're only going to see that maybe for a quarter or two before the market stabilizes, okay? Because if you study inventory, you can tell when it starts to stabilize. And then it's going to do what the market normally does, which is it starts to increase again. If the interest rate is what's keeping you on the fence, we need to come up with the right program for you. We're doing interesting things with our offers and buyers and getting them a little bit lower interest rate. Okay, I'm not going to tell too many details on here. Or we could also talk to our lenders so they could actually break down the numbers. There's a big misconception on how much more you'll be paying monthly on your mortgage payment, and when a lender actually breaks that down, it's very beneficial to our buyers. So I just want you to understand something. Will you see prices come down? Yes, you're going to see prices come down a bit on those very overpriced listings. The ones that are priced right are still moving. Houses are lasting a little bit more on the market, which is a good thing for you as a buyer, right? So more days on market. Again, that is normalizing, right? And we are seeing more inventory for you. If you want some creative ways how to pay a little bit less interest rate and negotiate better prices on the home, feel free to contact us. All our contact information is below. Thank you for watching. I love putting these out here for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.